from the get-go, when we started PingPod, we knew we're gonna rely on a technology to power PingPod. Yeah, right. So, but we knew that once we rolled up this business, this
Yeah.
concept, we are the pioneer of autonomous concept in
Yeah.
the world.
Woo.
Like in PingPod was it.
Yeah.
So we knew that when this rolled up, people will naturally think it could be used for other verticals, other things.
Got it.
So which means we are positioning our software to scale, to not
Horizontally.
to
Yeah.
to other verticals, to
Yeah.
pickleball, to billiards, to everything.
Got it.
So that's where we raised 1 million. Our second raise was 10 million. And we are fortunate enough that a venture capital believed in us, believed in the concept, Sequoia Heritage, the Sequoia people.
Wow.
Yeah. And for you to be able to be on their radar, you have to have their interest. So
Amazing.
so that's the game plan, is to not really the lab rat or the guinea pig was the table tennis, but because it's the most complex thing.
Right.
But the end is the software.
Of course.
That's
That scales.
that scales.